Hey little partner.
Hi.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna do a quick hitch for the backhoe.
That's the backhoe over there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what are we gonna cut that quick hitch on?
On your design thing where you cut stuff.
The plasma cutter?
Yes.
Let's go get it done, boys.
Yeah. And by the way, I got all this stuff on me because I'm about to ride my bike.
Go!
Let's go!
So here's our first attempt at making one of the bottom pieces for the quick attach hitch. This is a piece of 836 1/4" plate that I had a scrap from making the rock bucket. Put another video on that later. These are the times for the rock bucket. Anyway, I'm going to cut that first piece right here and make sure the settings are correct and everything looks good. Here we go. Pretty good. Didn't get a full cut there, but that's alright. Have to figure that out. I'm gonna cut 2 more pieces exactly like this. No, excuse me, 1 more like this, and then for the top tines, and then the cross braces, it'll all come out of here. Okay, so I got the parts cleaned up and I think I'm ready to weld. This is just put together with the tabs right there and it's forced in. It's gonna look good. Here are the top parts. They're gonna go up here in this area, welded. This is actually the second quick hitch I make. The first one is still on the tractor right now. It's painted and everything, except it's too weak. And it's weak because I wasn't able to weld here from the bottom plate to the top plate. I wasn't able to put weld in between those. The only weld I have is right there. So I'm redoing this hitch for that reason. I'm just gonna chunk this one. Even painted it and everything. So the problem was I wasn't able to weld right down up in there. I was only able to weld it here in this area. Right there. Where my fingers are. So now I'll be able to put weld on both sides. So here's the bucket off the tractor. This right here is the first one I made. Like I said, there's no weld here along the seam. Those welds are for the braces. That's what I want to make better. So I got the bucket here. These are pins that I made. That one stays stationary and the front end goes into that pin, and then the back slides, back pin here, so slide in to secure the back part of the quick hitch. Let me sit down the camera here and I'll do a quick little demonstration on it. I said, nothing's welded at this point. Let me get to welding this now. Alright, I got it clamped down, squared up. Looking good. Go ahead and throw some welds on this one. Alright, well, this piece is welded. Weld looked pretty good. Nice penetration. Welded it everywhere I could. Every single spot, up and down. The cross member braces that went through here, these, I welded those. And I made it recessed a little bit so the weld will fit in. Very minimal grinding down I'm going to have to do on those to make it fit. So I'm going to go ahead and grind those down, see if it'll go. Alright, I saved you some trouble. Had to do a little bit of grinding right there on the inside of that. But it's working good. Goes in, drops down. The pin goes all the way across. And, oops, pushed a little too far. And then it's going to be locked there, just the same way as the fronts are. There's very, very little play on it, if any. You can only hear just a hair there. So next, I'm going to weld the top ones on. Right there, give me about a 1/4 inch to weld. Right there, I'm going to weld those on, give me about a 1/4 inch. Okay, give myself a 1/4 inch space. Now it's time to weld that piece up. I'll tack weld the 4 corners first, and then I'll go ahead and weld everything. Alright, those are tacked in. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Tack the other one up, and then I'll weld everything together at once. So this is how I'm doing it here. Put in a 1/4 inch spacer. So that's gonna sit on top of the spacer right there. Angle it up. Looks to be about right. Right there. And clamp this down. Okay, there. Now I got the space that I'm looking for to be able to weld in there. My gimbal lost power, but that's alright. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it out just with the GoPro. So carefully we'll remove that. Bring the whole piece down. I'm gonna tack that up, and then I'll get to welding the whole thing. Okay, got that buttoned up. Welds are looking good. You notice I went back and forth so heat wouldn't separate them. I didn't weld in there because that's where the arm is going to go. I need to take a look at it if I have time. I mean, if I have room, I'll go ahead and do that. But I did do those two welds here, and then I weld all the way across here. It's looking good. It's pretty much ready for a mock fit. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one out right there. Here. That's pretty good. Yeah. Come on, baby. And there goes it went. Fit good. I know it's a little dark, but that's what I was talking about, the weld there. Give it that space it didn't have before. A lot more strength to it. There we go. Yeah. Let's start up and see how it works. Got some LEDs installed in it too, by the way. So works great, man. Gotta get that hole. It's not right on it, so you gotta get that drilled out right. And that should be it. There's not all that much play in it. It's gonna work perfect now. Oh, the weld. See, yeah, there. That's what I was talking about. I won't be able to weld in there where that round part goes. It's a good thing I stopped where I did, or else I would have had trouble with that. Yeah, that's like right on the money. That looks good. I'll probably save you guys the trouble of cleaning it up and painting it. Next shot you'll see is probably be during the day with this already all painted up, nice and neat. All right. Yeah, so real quick before it gets too late, this is probably the right way you should do it, and you can also do it on the ground, but with the tractor itself, but I'll do it here myself. So you take out the pin, right? Once the pin's off, you take out this whole pin, and you can see there, everything rotates, comes right off. Go to your next attachment, your next bucket, trencher, whatever. Yep. Now just work those holes and paint. So here we are 2 days later. We've had some crazy weather here in El Paso. It rained, snow, and today is just a beautiful day. Probably in the high 60s. Everything's still a little wet from the snow. I was able to finish and paint the new quick hitch. As I said, this is the second one I've built. This was the first one. The problem with the first one again was I didn't weld here in this area because of the proximity to the bucket. Didn't allow me enough room to weld, and I knew that was going to be a problem, so I went out and I tried my best to break it, and I actually did. These are the only welds I have here and on the inside of this one. I went out and tried to pull a big yucca stump and really put it through some hard work, and even though it did break the weld there, I'm sure it's because I had no weld here. So this second one welded there really nice, and in the same area in the inside. I was able to add the extra strength with the welding there by adding more meat to the bottom of this and to the top of this plate. As you can see, it's added about 1/4 inch to each one, so that gave me the separations to be able to weld up in that area. Truth be told, this is probably the second of many I'm going to build. One thing that I did realize when I was building this is one thing that I do want to make for the next one, make it stronger. Here in these holes, I want to put a little round tubing, the way Kubota does it here on their pieces. It'll make it stronger. And other than that, I think that's all I'm going to need. So I'm going to go ahead and set up. I'll put the bucket back on there with the new hitch. Got some work to do, helping a friend dig a ditch. So I'm going to try my best to break this one. I don't think I'll be able to on this one, but we'll see. I need to break that one so I can build my third one. So it's on, went on pretty easy. Drilled out the holes correctly for these the other day as well. One thing that I did notice, the bolt is catching here, so I'm gonna have to get me a smaller bolt or realign that hole on the next hitch I make. It was very good. Painted it with the Kubota orange paint that they sell at the Kubota dealership. Now I just gotta grease it up. Gotta help a buddy today. I'm gonna try to break it. I'm gonna dig a ditch about 50 feet or so. So I'll keep you updated on that. I think I'm gonna finalize this video here. If I end up breaking it and building another one, I'll redo that video and show the other sections on this. Alright, one last thing I wanted to say is I think the next video I'm going to do is a thumb connected here on the factory mount. Probably mounts up to this point or this point, and somewhere it'll look something along the lines of this right here. I like to build my own stuff instead of buy it most of the time if I can. There is another thing that I built before this. I mentioned in the video where I got the metal to cut that out, and I built a rock bucket. I'll show you that really quick here. I do have a video of that coming, but that'll be in the future. So this is the rock bucket I built. I'm not going to go ahead and paint it or anything like that because I do use this often to remove weeds around the house or pick up trash and what have you. But this came out really awesome. Saved me a lot of money building it myself, and I learned a lot. Works with the quick hitch in the front. Nice and sturdy. This is also A36 steel, 1/4 inch. I've used this for all sorts of stuff since I got it. It's usually not off, it's not usually off the tractor, but I was moving some material around. I was using the forks on the tractor. I might throw in a picture with the bucket on there so you guys can see that as well.
So guys, this is our first time getting our cat outside. She's a little bit scared, but I'm okay with that. And if you like my dad's video, smash that like button. And we're going to do a lot of more videos, so I hope you watch them. Bye!